This is Paul. Yeah. hmm It's Sunday, Mm. the 22nd. Yeah. It's the 22nd of March. And it's about 3:55. Yeah. hmm I know you had a lot planned for today. I did too. I went to lunch. Yes. Uploaded 88 videos to the YouTube channel 7777. A lot of people wondered why I did it, but when I think about the amount of money that I've documented in lawsuits, yeah, if nobody watched any of the videos, I know what's on them. I'm the one that made them. Huh. Now, I was wanting to use the court system of the United States, and I thought for sure that you wanted me to do that. And with all your other concerns, yes, I wanted to make sure to document lawsuits. Yeah. See, we have a problem with what's known as, well, damage. Yes. Damages. Yes. Quite often in postal insurance. Yeah. Is this working? Yeah. It seems like it's slow. No, I guess it's working. Yes. The United States Postal Insurance offers insurance that compensates you if domestic mail is lost, yes, rifled, or damaged. Yeah. The insurance is limited to third class mail, which includes bulk materials such as books, bulbs, or seeds, and fourth class mail, parcel post. Yeah. You, the you can insure airmail that contains third or fourth class mail. Yes. Now, there are certain insurances that I'm a little concerned about today. Yeah. Yesterday, I documented the publication, yes, of a civil rights violating court hearing. And my thought was, as soon as the newspapers found out about it, pooch, they were immediately going to obligate law enforcement to remove all your fraud. Now, for some reason, those in law enforcement have been using their authority to obstruct, yeah, my rights as a citizen. Now, I hear that there's quite a few deaths out there. Yeah. Could you look through all the coronavirus deaths and find out who their insurer was? Yeah. See, if you're in viaticals, Viaticals, yeah, it's a boom time for you. Poop. And I thought, well, we might as well look at the life insurers and find out exactly what your life insurance is worth. Yeah. Now, I didn't get actual notice of court hearings. Yes. And yesterday I was talking to you about why it is that we don't put in publication any event, yes, any documented violating of the rights of American citizens, yes. Because this court hearing where you modified the protection order on October 16th of 2012, yeah. hmm that was not the docketed court hearing for the modification of the protection order that was issued on July 6th of 2012. Yeah. That was issued on July 6th of 2012 for the false accusation of violating the protection order that had been issued on July 8th of 2011. Yeah. Now, on July 8th of 2011, you issued a protection order when I was in jail. Yeah. For the false accusation of grabbing my wife's arm, slapping my sons, and yelling at my children. Ah! And then when I was in jail, yes, for 10 days, yes, when I got out, poop, you had reissued the temporary protection order on the 22nd of July, yes, when I was a resident of Guam. When I had to give the Guamanian government my passport so I couldn't leave the U.S. territory. Yeah, there was no possible way that I could have responded. Yeah, there was no notice or opportunity to be heard. Yeah, and then you had a couple more declarations from Heidi Budnick. Yeah, and then you issued a 1-year protection order on August 12th of 2011 that you had me served on Guam when I was in the jurisdiction of Guam. Yes, where I could not actually motion the court to modify it. Right now. Mhm, mhm. Then you arrested me on the 27th of May. Yeah. For the false accusation of violating the protection order that was issued, yeah, on August 12th of 2011. Yeah. Where the renewal of it was for the fabricated evidence that I had violated the protection order. Yes. And I was on trial for the false accusation of having violated it. Yeah. Now, you had a motion hearing, emergency ex parte. Yeah. May 31st of 2012. Yeah. You reissued it by minute order. You had the sheriffs drive out to 1023 Kitchen Dick Road and read to me that you were having a motion hearing approximately 16 hours after they were reading to me. Yes. That you were having that, and then you renewed it, yes, on July 6th of 2012, Commissioner Kniebs. Right. While I was on trial for the accusation of violating, yes, a protection order that I had no notice or opportunity to be heard before you issued it. Yeah. And I had the, unavailability, yes, of petitioning the court to modify it because I was a resident of Guam. Now, this protection order, yes, could not be issued, yes, because I was on trial, yes, for the accusation of violating this protection order. And when I was found not guilty, yes, you put in publication a protection order, yes, that violated my rights, yes, as the accused during the trial for the false accusation of violating a protection order that had been issued on August 12th of 2011. Now, I'd have to say that I'm going to have to sue you again today for putting in publication a protection order that was issued based upon the false accusation of violating a protection order that was issued on August 12th of 2011. Yes, when the jury found me not guilty. Let's go ahead. And my record was expunged from Guam. Now, this advertisement, known as a public notice in the newspapers, number 11.2671, is actually documenting numerous frauds and civil rights violating court hearings. Yeah. See, the order for protection that was issued on July 6th of 2012, yeah, that was hereby extended through the new hearing court date on this matter on August 30th, yes, was renewed because of the false accusation of me violating the protection order that was issued on August 12th of 2011. You actually documented in publication two civil rights